How to add a background photo to Instagram stories. So if you are trying to share any kind of your posts or reels on Instagram, but you want to set a background photo, then this is how you do it. So first of all, you can choose the post that you want to share to your story. I'm going to share this one right here. So I'm just going to tap on share. And if I scroll to the side, I see an option to add to story. Now this will open up and it will create a post to my story. Now as you can see, the background is a blank gray color right now, so I'm just going to change the background. In order to do that, you just tap on this little sticker icon at the top, and from here tap on photo and choose the photo that you want to add as a background. So I have selected a picture that I want to set as a background, this one right here. You can tap on it to change its size and shape. So I'm just going to keep it the default shape. So just zoom in to fill out all of your background. And to bring your post forward, you just long press on this and you see this little toggle option. You can just scroll up or down to bring your post in front. So I'm just going to keep it like here. You can resize it if you want. And once you do that, once you are ready, you can just tap on post. And it will create a background image on your story. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next one.